Welcome to InfoWare. In this video, we would like to explain to you the functionality of the sequence optimization functionality of the MapTrip server API. With me and on the screen is Georg, who has developed the API. And Georg, can you explain to us how the optimization works?
Mm-hmm. So when we are talking about optimization, we are talking about a sequence optimization. So we have a list of stops, which is locations, coordinates, and we want to find the best order of these stops.
Right.
And
okay.
The best order is the fastest usually.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so can you show us the interface?
Yeah. So this is the web frontend of our API, and I already entered a JWT token here.
Mm-hmm.
So we can start with the optimization here. We have this two functions, and let's start with this post function here. I mentioned a list of stops before, and this is probably the most important parameter which we can see here.
Okay. So if you have like 4 different stops, then you would enter those 4 different stops in that field, I suppose.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I prepared an example here, which looks like this. So we have 4 coordinates, which are named A, B, C, and D.
Mm-hmm.
And the coordinate A is marked as start and as well as destination of our tour. So we want to
start. So that means it's like it's a round trip then.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So this is the most important parameter, and here are some more parameters regarding the data we want to use, like TomTom or here or OpenStreetMap.
Okay.
And starting time here.
So now we have 4 stops, and we want to know what is the best way to travel to those 4 stops.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay.
Yeah. So
how does it work?
Execute button here, and press this. We get this result, which looks it's very short. Yes, we have just an ID here.
Right. It's not the sequence yet.
Yes.
So how do you get the right sequence?
So the optimization of the tour can take some time, and we have now just 4 coordinates, but it could take much longer, and we have to use this idea to get the result.
All right.
And this is done with this get method here. We see an ID here, and if I enter the ID and press execute, we see the new result, the new order.
Okay, so I can see that A is, as it is start and destination, it comes first. And then we have to travel to C first, and then to B, and then finally
then to D.
To D, and then back to A.
Back to A, yeah.
It
was a round trip.
Okay, excellent. So that is how I get the result. And could you scroll back up, please, to the green section? Yes. So there was one thing. There is a start time. Can you explain what that is for?
So you can see here it's a date and a time, and we use this for different traffic situations. In the morning, in the rush hour, you have a lot of traffic, and you need more time for this tour as in the night. So we use both statistical and live traffic.
All right. So traffic can be considered in the optimization. So I can give either a time in the morning or a time at night, depending on when I want to drive the tour, and the API will take into consideration the traffic situation. Okay, exactly. Very good. And can you scroll down a little bit further again? Stop. And there is vehicle type and width and height and length. So that looks like it's for truck dimensions. Is that right?
That's right. Now I did a car route, but I can use a truck here, and I can enter the weight and width and so on of the car
All right.
to just consider
Okay.
roads suited for that.
All right. So thank you. That looks very easy. Um, all right. So if you have any questions, please contact us. I hope you find this video helpful. And as I said, just reach out and we will try to help you if you have any questions.